of desecration and vandalism?
See, I mean, at the moment, there were like close to 21 cases, out of which 6 have been arrested. There were no clues on the 10 of the incident that happened. So we are investigating. I mean, the moment this incident happened, there were 5 teams, special teams have been put in at Ramathirdam and to identify what's happening. So these incidents are happening. They're trying to identify the temples where there were less population, and in the midnight hours, on the isolated places, these temples are being attacked.
Okay.
And the next day, it's worked as a strategy, and the next day it comes into social media, then catched up by the other media channels.
Okay.
And it's continuously happening in the state. And we see, the thing is, it's sort of a diverse politics, as our CM sir has said. Vandalizing acts of diverse people of AP love to be in a harmony without the interference of God or religious-based politics.
Okay.
See, I think BJP and TDP is not a... Well, one thing I want to mention, BJP or TDP is not a sole protector of Hindus in this country.
Okay.
They should refrain from acting on religion-based agenda. Mark my words, they will never be excused by the people of AP.
So
people
this is
of
a
AP
religious...
are intelligent enough.
This is a communal attack and a religion-based agenda being mounted by the TDP and the BJP, says the ruling party. Mr. Komareddy, your chief, the former Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, has basically launched this attack. He's made it very personal also. He's called Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy a Christian chief minister, which makes it very personal as well. But the YSRCP, which is the ruling party, says this is the communal agenda of the TDP. Respond to that.
Good evening, Shiv. First of all, I would like to remind Shiv that in the past 1.5 years, after Jagan Mohan Reddy took over as Chief Minister, there are 138 incidents of attacks on temples. It is not 1 or 2. As we speak today in the morning, there is one more incident in Visakhapatnam district. In Golugonda Mandal, an idol belonging to Lord Vinayaka had been destroyed. The hands of Lord Vinayaka have been chopped off.
What is the specific allegation you're making, Mr. Komareddy? What is the specific allegation? When your party chief says Christian chief minister, what are you alleging? Are you alleging that Jagan Mohan Reddy is presiding over this?
Yeah, Shiv, what I'm saying is, even after 138 incidents, the government is not able to arrest one single person. What is it conveying? Are you not able to arrest one single person in the past 1.5 years? And every day you find an incident happening somewhere or the other in the state.
Okay.
What is the police doing? And yes, you have to acknowledge the fact that the chief minister's family runs an organization which preaches Christianity. There is nothing wrong. Any citizen in India...
I'll come to you. You can answer. Let me just bring in... Mr. Chaudhary, let me just bring in Krishna Sagar Rao, the BJP as well.
Let me finish, Shiv. Ask not to interrupt. Let me finish. It is a fact that the chief minister's family, his brother-in-law,
it's a chief minister of a state.
Mr. Chaudhary, I'll give you time to rebut and respond.
And on the other hand, they attack Hindu temples. See, YSRCP leaders were caught red-handed. Damodar Reddy of YSR Congress Party in Kurnool district.
Okay.
He had demolished a temple in Kurnool and he's caught red-handed.
The short point, Mr. Komareddy, basically you're saying... Basically what you're saying is nobody has been arrested because this is the work of the ruling party. Let me bring in the BJP spokesperson also. Krishna Sagar Rao is also with us. Mr. Rao, the BJP is also mobilized in a big way. There have been some house arrests that have also been conducted against some of your leaders. But the Director General of Police of Andhra Pradesh says that attacks on temples have been happening, for many years. But the BJP and the TDP are making it out to be something that's only happening under Jagan Mohan Reddy. How would you respond to that? And is the BJP also saying that this is basically the so-called Christian chief minister presiding over these attacks on Hindu temples?
No, my question to the DGP is, why should temples be attacked in a state? And is it not unprecedented that 130, 140 incidents happen in a state and the police is saying that this is happening even before, so let's be quiet. Now, why should anybody attack temples? And it is not just about temples, Shiv, here. The issue is about the competence of the government to enforce law and order. Is it wrong, as an opposition party, BJP questioning why is it CM Jagan not able to contain this kind of a menace of desecration of gods, temples, destroying the idols? And this is not a small issue. And even till now, despite many repeated demands and dharnas by Bharatiya Janata Party, CM Jagan hasn't moved. That shows he's shunning the responsibility as a chief minister to protect law and order,
Okay.
protect the freedom of practicing religion. That is what BJP is highlighting.
Okay,
I'm
so-
asking a pointed question, Shiv, to the representative of YSRCP. What would have happened if 10 churches, 10 mosques were desecrated in Andhra Pradesh? What would happen?
Let him answer.
What would happen
So
anywhere in the country
multiple points have
if
been made
10
against the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh and the YSRCP, Mr. Chaudhary. Answer the specific points raised by both.
See, I mean, we seriously condemn first the TDP. They doesn't have any sense. A chief minister of a state belongs to everybody. And Mr. Patabi was talking very foolishly on a national media, talking about a chief minister of a
One
state.
second, let him
We have
finish.
won
Mr. Komareddy, let him finish. Let him finish. I'll give you everyone time. Don't cross talk. This is a sensitive issue. This is a sensitive, emotive issue. Let's
Shiv,
do one at a
Shiv,
time.
Who is
Shiv,
brother
this is a
against
sensitive
Mr.
issue. I
Chaudhary?
agree to that.
What does
But
this-
Shiv,
what does
we have
brother
won
Mr.
the-
Komareddy, let him
I mean,
finish.
out of
Let him
the
finish.
57
You'll
You
get
preach
time
a
to speak.
particular religion, and
Let
on the
me
other
finish.
side,
Patabi,
Let him finish. You've asked him a question.
Let
Mr.
me finish,
Komareddy,
Mr.
let
Patabi.
Abhaya
What is
Chaudhary
this
speak.
conveying?
Let him speak. Let him speak. Yes, answer the question.
You say, yeah. Shiv, I think out of the, we have identified 57,525 places where temples, churches, or mosques are there. And we have around 12,064 places. We have installed 39,708 cameras recently. So we are trying to install cameras. See, these incidents happen across the country.
Shiv, it is so- it is
when
so
certain people
laughable.
trying to come in and
Few
so
days
we are
back,
see
in
our
the
party
heart
goes
of
beyond
Vijayawada
religions and
city,
caste-based
in a
politics.
bus station, Goddess Sita's idol was destroyed. Where are your cameras?
See, the
Where are
attacks
your
on
cameras
temple
in
as a political
Vijayawada bus
guerrilla
station,
warfare.
Mr.
Come on.
Chaudhary?
See, it's a political
Goddess
guerrilla
Sita's
warfare.
One second, one
idol
second.
was
Mr.
destroyed.
Komareddy, one second. Let him
In the middle of
finish.
the bus
Let me
station.
explain.
Where are your
Mr.
cameras?
Patabi, you need to have a
What
patience on a
nonsense
national
you're
media
talking?
for the people
Where are
to
your
respond.
cameras in a bus station? How can an idol be
There are
destroyed in a
cameras.
bus
Okay,
station?
one second.
Where
40,000
thousands of
cameras
people
over the
roam
last
around
year.
every
Let him
day?
make his
Your
point and you can
government-
rebut him. You and Krishna Sagar Rao can rebut him. Let him finish his point.
Rebut him. Let me finish my point. See, TDP doesn't have any sense to talk in this channel at the moment. Just on the Krishna Pushkaralu, when their government was there, close to 34 temples have been destroyed by them. 8 mosques
Okay.
and masjids have been also destroyed by them. So they don't. I don't want to go back to what they did and what we're trying to do. We all respect religion. People of AP are intelligent enough. So if BJP want to make inroads, they want to make inroads in this state by trying to create.
I will ask Krishna
create a
Sagar Rao that
caste-based
question
politics.
next.
That-
But before that, Mr. Komareddy, apart from calling it a political conspiracy, the other thing that the ruling party of Andhra Pradesh is saying is that there have been 200 plus such incidents, but not all of them are attacks. Some of them include incidents of hundi theft, treasure trove gangs, etc., operating to
And these
to
happen
damage and
throughout the
vandalize
country, not just
temples.
Andhra
And
Pradesh.
therefore, it is not right to club all these different incidents as some kind of ominous design by the ruling party. They're all separate incidents, not one. How would you respond to that? And you can also respond to
Shiv,
what Abhaya
Shiv,
Chaudhary said.
Shiv, I have a list of 138 incidents exclusively of attacks on temples, destruction of idols, beating up of archakas, grabbing temple lands. These are all exclusive list of 137 incidents. And today we have incident number 138. And apart from attacking temples and destroying idols, Shiv, we should also understand that Jagan Mohan Reddy government is issuing GOs to grab temple lands. What is this conveying? See, I'm only speaking facts. Mr. Chaudhary might not digest it, but it is a fact that day in and day out, Brother Anil, who is the brother-in-law of Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy, he preaches
Stop
one
going into
religion.
your family.
Mr.